Hello world, my name is Vardhan, and this is my final project for CS50P, CS50's Introduction to Programming using Python. This is Tetris, a terminal-based version of the game Tetris. It's my tribute to one of the most iconic puzzle games ever made. After watching the movie Tetris, I was fascinated by the history of the game and the story of Alexei Pajitnov. I wanted to bring a version of that into the terminal by just using Python and the curses library. This project is entirely written in Python and it runs in the terminal window. Let us now look under the hood in project.py where I've implemented the main function along with several other supporting functions. The game supports controls using the arrow keys, left right for move, down for a soft drop, and up to rotate. You can pause the game using P or quit using Q. Most of the game logic resides in the class Tetris. It features all 7 original Tetris blocks, an NES based rotation system, and an authentic scoring system inspired by the original game. Let us now look at how the game works. I can pause the game using P or quit using Q. As you can see, my final score is 40 and I'm quitting the game. From this project, I learned how powerful even the terminal can be, and I learned how powerful Python can be even in a terminal. A heartfelt thank you to Professor David J. Malan. Your passion didn't just teach me Python, it made me fall in love with programming itself. I'm deeply grateful to the entire CS50 team and the community. This course has truly reignited my love for coding. Thank you for watching.